A new emergency alert system is now being used in Pitt County. Code Red will serve as part of the county's emergency communication plan. The Emergency Management Department tested the new technology today for the first time. The system sends you a call or text if there's an emergency in your area. It is designed to send alerts based on geographic location. Emergency Management Director Noel Lee says it's important to prepare for a crisis before it happens, and this technology is a part of that preparation.
It's better technology today for us, plus for the actual users, our county staff, it is actually more user-friendly, so we feel like we can get the message out quicker by using this system.
If you did not receive an alert during today's test, go to the county's website and register.